She's good at this.
What's this?
Wow.
See what it is. Let's see what it is. Mickey Mouse what? Let's see. You want to see? It's a scarf with Minnie Mouse.
What have you dropped there, look? What's on
Oh,
the
and a hat.
hat?
Look. A hat with Minnie Mouse on.
Put it on.
Put it on. Oh, good girl. Oh.
Gloves?
Gloves as well. Let's see. Let's put the hat on. There.
Oh.
Put your gloves on.
And thumb in there. Put your thumb in there. Hooray.
Put the other glove on now.
She looks like a football hooligan, don't you? We've called you a hooligan, haven't we, this week?
Oh.
Are you a hooligan?
Are you cold? Go brrr.
Oh.
That's lovely, isn't it?
The camera will try and go.